Some breaking inputs coming in. Uttarkashi police giving instructions to the locals now. Cops are making announcements asking the locals, people to not go near the river. So officials now asking people to not to venture out anywhere near the river. Let's also listen in.
क्षेत्र में हुई घटना के कारण तथा लगातार बारिश होने के कारण भागीरथी नदी का जलस्तर लगातार बढ़ रहा है। आपसे निवेदन है, नदी किनारे जाने से बचें तथा सुरक्षित स्थान पर बने रहें। ध्यान दें, हरसिल धराली क्षेत्र में हुई घटना तथा लगातार बारिश होने के कारण भागीरथी नदी का जलस्तर लगातार बढ़ रहा है। आप लोगों से निवेदन है, नदी किनारे जाने से बचें तथा सुरक्षित स्थान पर बने रहें। ध्यान दें, हरसिल धराली क्षेत्र में हुई घटना के कारण तथा लगातार बारिश होने के कारण भागीरथी नदी का जलस्तर लगातार बढ़ रहा है। आपसे निवेदन है, नदी किनारे जाने से बचें तथा सुरक्षित स्थान पर बने रहें।
The announcement was for the rising water level in Bhagirathi River and for people who live near the Bhagirathi River, near banks of the Bhagirathi River, to not venture out, to not go anywhere near the river. These are regular announcements that are being made after the cloudburst, after flash flood and the devastation that was witnessed in Harsil area, where of course the priority is to ensure rescue and relief operation is carried out on war footing. First the cloudburst, which led to flash floods, and then in the visuals you can see how the gushing water bringing down mud and debris, along with it swept away houses and all the structures actually that came its way. And these structures are now buried under the debris. So the teams that are on ground, their challenge is to reach, first of all, make way through the terrain, to make way through the debris, and to reach out to people who are buried under the debris, people who are stuck there, and to provide help to save lives. That's the foremost priority of the teams that are on ground, for which multiple agencies have been pulled in. But like experts are saying, for these teams to actually reach the site is taking time because of the terrain, because there is loss of connectivity now and accessibility to this particular region. Meanwhile, locals, of course, trying to help each other out, those who are the first responders. District authority also ensuring that that help reaches people.
हो चुका है। वहां एक मंदिर हुआ करता था, वो मंदिर भी मुझे उस वीडियो में कहीं दिखाई नहीं पड़ रहा है। अब मौके के लिए हम निकले हैं, आपको ग्राउंड जीरो से तस्वीरें दिखाएंगे, कुछ ही देर में हम वहां पहुंच जाएंगे। लेकिन ये अपने आप में बेहद डरावनी तस्वीरें हैं राकेश, ये डराती हैं, बिल्कुल डराती हैं कि जो
All right, that was my colleague Abhishek.